Google Cybersecurity Certification Practice Questions. Set 4. Question 1. What is a security vulnerability? A. A flaw allowing unauthorized access. B. A network protocol. C. A secure connection. D. A firewall setting. The correct answer is A. A flaw allowing unauthorized access. A vulnerability is a weakness that can be exploited by attackers. Question 2. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for encryption? A. Application layer. B. Transport layer. C. Network layer. D. Data link layer. The correct answer is B. Transport layer. Encryption typically occurs at the transport layer, such as with TLS, SSL. Question 3. What does SIEM stand for? A. Security Information and Event Management. B. System Integration and Event Monitoring. C. Security Integration and Enterprise Management. D. System Information and Event Management. The correct answer is A. Security Information and Event Management. SIEM software collects, analyzes, and stores security data for threat detection. Question 4. What is a vulnerability scanner used for? A. To detect potential weaknesses in a system. B. To monitor user activities. C. To encrypt network data. D. To filter malicious traffic. The correct answer is A. To detect potential weaknesses in a system. A vulnerability scanner identifies flaws in systems that could be exploited by attackers. Question 5. What is an example of a physical security control? A. Password protection. B. Biometric access systems. C. Firewall configuration. D. Data encryption. The correct answer is B. Biometric access systems. Biometric systems control physical access to facilities and sensitive areas. Question 6. What is the purpose of a patch management system? A. To update software to fix vulnerabilities. B. To monitor network traffic. C. To manage employee access. D. To encrypt communication. The correct answer is A. To update software to fix vulnerabilities. Patch management helps keep systems secure by addressing known vulnerabilities. Question 7. What is a brute force attack? A. An attack that bypasses a firewall. B. An attack using extensive computation to guess passwords. C. An attack exploiting an unpatched vulnerability. D. An attack that involves social manipulation. The correct answer is B. An attack using extensive computation to guess passwords. Brute force attacks attempt to break passwords by trying many combinations. Question 8. What is a zero-trust security model? A. Trusting internal users but not external users. B. Assuming no user or device is trusted. C. Trusting all users and devices inside the network. D. Using only encryption for security. The correct answer is B. Assuming no user or device is trusted. Zero trust requires verification for all users, regardless of location. Question 9. Which tool is commonly used to monitor network traffic? A. Nmap. B. Wireshark. C. Netcat. D. Nessus. The correct answer is B. Wireshark. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that captures and inspects network traffic. Question 10. What does a penetration test simulate? A. A real cyber attack on a network. B. A firewall configuration review. C. A software vulnerability scan. D. A network traffic analysis. The correct answer is A. A real cyber attack on a network. Penetration tests simulate attacks to identify vulnerabilities before attackers exploit them. Question 11. Which is a key element of identity and access management? A. Authentication. B. Malware detection. C. Encryption algorithms. D. Network segmentation. The correct answer is A. Authentication. Authentication verifies a user's identity before granting access to resources. Question 12. What does a man-in-the-middle attack do? A. Prevents user access to a network. B. Intercepts and alters communication between two parties. C. Denies users access to websites. D. Sends malware to users. The correct answer is B. Intercepts and alters communication between two parties. A man-in-the-middle attack intercepts and potentially modifies communication between users. Question 13. What is the purpose of network segmentation? A. Reduce overall network speed. B. Enhance security by isolating critical network components. C. Increase network traffic. D. Enable passwordless access. The correct answer is B. Enhance security by isolating critical network components. Segmenting networks limits the spread of attacks and improves containment. Question 14. Which is a common method for securing passwords? A. Storing them in plain text. B. Using multi-factor authentication. C. Writing them on paper. D. Emailing them to yourself. The correct answer is B. Using multi-factor authentication. MFA adds an extra layer of security beyond just passwords. Question 15. What does a data loss prevention system do? A. Prevents data from being leaked or lost. B. Monitors network traffic. C. Encrypts data at rest. D. Manages user access rights. The correct answer is A. Prevents data from being leaked or lost. DLP systems monitor and prevent unauthorized data transfers or leaks. Question 16. Which of these is an example of a physical security measure? A. Encryption. B. Biometric authentication. C. Firewall configuration. D. Password policy enforcement. The correct answer is B. Biometric authentication. Biometric systems are used for secure physical access to buildings or areas. Question 17. What is the most common type of social engineering attack? A. Phishing. B. Malware infection. C. DDoS. D. Ransomware. The correct answer is A. Phishing. Phishing tricks individuals into revealing sensitive information through deceptive communication. Question 18. What does a firewall do? A. Encrypts network traffic. B. Blocks or filters network traffic based on security rules. C. Monitors system updates. D. Secures passwords. The correct answer is B. Blocks or filters network traffic based on security rules. A firewall controls the flow of traffic between networks to prevent unauthorized access. Question 19. What is the primary purpose of data encryption? A. To hide data from authorized users. B. To protect data from unauthorized access. C. To compress data. D. To reduce data size. The correct answer is B. To protect data from unauthorized access. Encryption ensures that only authorized parties can read sensitive data. Question 20. What is an example of multi-factor authentication? A. Using a password only. B. A password and a fingerprint scan. C. Storing a password in a text file. D. Sending a password over email. The correct answer is B. a password and a fingerprint scan. MFA uses more than one verification method for increased security.